Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Manuela, and in today's video we are going to be doing some spring twists, but this time I'm doing a different method. I'm actually doing individuals in the back and in the front, and in the middle I will be doing crochet. And this is just a faster method for me, and this is the hair that I will be using. This was sent to me by Xtrend on Amazon. This is in the color, I believe, T27. It comes in a pack of 9, which is really great. It is enough to actually complete this hairstyle and even get another second hairstyle out of it. And I will have the hair link down in the description box below. And so the way that I start the braid or the twist is I braid the hair first. I do the knotless method. I braid my hair first and then I proceed to twist. Now I'm going to show you guys the difference when you twist with your right over left and left over right. As you can see, there is a huge difference. The twists come out way more juicier when you twist right over left. So that's just something for you guys to keep in mind when you are twisting and you're wondering why they're not coming out the way that you want them to. It's because of the direction that you're twisting your hair in. So here I'm opening up the twist, and honestly the hair will look better, or your twist will come out looking a lot more better and cuter and prettier if you don't actually open up the hair and you just twist the hair as it comes already instead of opening it up. The only time that you should open the hair is if you're going for a very natural kind of twist, locks style look. But if you want clean twists, then leave the hair as is and just begin twisting your hair. And this is pretty much where my hair reaches. It is very long, but after a while it kind of shrinks up a little bit, but it's still very long. It reached down past my chest area, and I feel like that's a pretty good length, to be honest. I love it, and it's very perfect for the summer that is coming up. So now we've come to the crochet part of this hairstyle, and so the way that I tuck in the ends of my hair is I actually crochet them along with the hair, so that way it doesn't slip out at all. And I just crochet it in, I tie the hair around the ends of my hair. That's pretty much it, because every time I try to just crochet the end of my hair into my braid, it always automatically slip out for some odd reason. So I just pretty much do this. It always works and it stays exactly where I crochet in the hair, and pretty much is slip proof. The only thing that I would do differently with doing these crochet braids is that I would braid my hair a lot more smaller, because I realized that the end of my hair became really thick, and it kind of made it harder for me to crochet the hair or to hide the ends of my hair with the crochet hair. So that's just something to keep in mind, is to make your braids a lot more smaller. And this is how my hair turned out. I was able to hide the thick part of my hair, and this is how my hair turned out. This is the end result. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. Let me know if you're gonna actually try this out for the summer, and follow me on Instagram, also at knowingmanuela, just to see how I style this hair. And I'm just showing you guys just a little bit on how you can style it, just to give y'all a little style inspo. Thank you all for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it inspired you guys to get some spring twists for the summer. And this is how long the hair ended up being. As you can see, it's no longer reaching my waist, but it shrunk up to my chest area, which is honestly really great for this type of weather right now. Again, y'all, thanks so much for watching. Peace.